Alright, we are at the, I believe this is the Lake Street garage in Libertyville. And we got some glass ThyssenKrupps. I used to come here a lot when I was young because these were like the only cool elevators that I could bike to that were always open. No fourth floor, but it lights up for some reason. Oh, that's a replace button too. Oh my god, this one left. Let's watch the other one come up. Where's the discussion hole? There it is. What? It's back again. Okay then. Jeez, look at that. My hands left a mark on the window just by holding it there. Send this one down in the meantime. Here's the certificate and ThyssenKrupp. Oh, we nudged it. Whoops. Now we'll watch the other one come up. Geez, it's so cold that my hands are warm enough that they're leaving marks. The other one. Oh no! Someone tried to steal the ThyssenKrupp logo. We'll watch it go up. Anyway, that'll be it. Unless it comes back down. We'll see. Why the heck not? The door is open. I think it's just gonna stay up there. Oh, there it comes. Anyway, that will be it.